I'm just going out for a little ride because I need to go get my hair cut, and yeah, I need to go get petrol as well. So that's it really. Changed the setup slightly, so I've now got the GoPro in my helmet rather than on my chest. So you let me know if you like it. If you don't like it, just let me know what you guys think. Also, had to play around a little bit with the audios and stuff, so once again, let me know if you like the audio, if it works, if it's too loud, if it's too low. I've got a loud bike, so yeah, it'll be helpful to know what are those little things. But, right, hello. Okay, so yeah, first time riding my bike today, and as you can see, not a great start. I'm already fucking overtaking cunts where I shouldn't be. But yeah, man, you gotta love it. Bloody hell, he's on a mission, ain't he? He's on a mission. Go on, lad. Go on, geese. See, I forget that now that I've got the helmet camera set up, you guys can actually see where I'm looking at. So that might be a little bit more exposing, but we'll be alright. We'll be alright. We'll be alright. It's not the end of the world. You're a wizard, are you? Going to Hogwarts to do spells and shite. Right now we're on our way to get some petrol because I got, well, 1 bar. I was going to say 2 bars. It's just gone down to 1. And I need to go to, obviously, like I said, to get my hair cut, which is not in this little town, next town. So yeah. Wow. Oh, where you going? Where you going? Where you going? Don't come this way. Don't come this way. Stay where you are. These aunties are scary, bruv. Right, where we going? Where we going? Where we going? Where we going? We are going here. That's a weird one, that is. Okay, so the boss man over here is pretty nice. Usually I don't have to take my helmet off the fuel, which most places, if you ride a bike anywhere in London or near London, you'll realise the cheeky cunts always make you take them off. See? Magic. That's enough. Right. Whoop. Nice. What was that? I felt like it took forever to fill in £15. Lovely. Don't mind if I do. £15 is a bit of a bargain nowadays. Okay. These petrol stations have the best music, innit? How am I walking in there? Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. Something like that. Right. Now, gotta think, how the hell are we gonna get from here? Ignore the back, stay as hell. But yeah, how am I gonna get from here to my barber? See, I'm a bit of a Google Maps boy. I like having my Google Maps on, so I know exactly where I'm going. But recently, I've just been trying to like freestyle it and remember and get a little bit better with my memory, especially, you know, recently moving into a new area. You need to know your routes. You need to know where to go and where you can't go. So yeah, I'm trying to memorize everything. We've known each other for so long, or some time, I don't know. Bruh. Are the police? Nah, we're good. Have they got dash cams? No, they're good. I just wanna tell you how I'm feeling. Woo-hoo. And that's why we're taking it easy. Plates back down and we're chilling. We'll move each other for so long. Can't lie. You know them ones there where you go past the police and now you want to turn around to see what they're doing, but you don't, because you don't want to be that guy. See, that's me right now. I want to see what they're doing. Are they coming? Nah, they're not coming. Excuse me. Where is my man indicated? Mad. You hear me? Stay there. And we go. Anyway, it's a bit windy today, so I hope that doesn't actually affect the footage in any way, because that would be very annoying. Budge up, you fat cock. Anyways, I need to keep it a bit PG, but like, it's hard when some people are full on spastics, man. If you ride, you know exactly what I mean. Not everyone's gonna keep it PG friendly all the time, especially when you got idiots, like blunt idiots, always in the way. Oh wait, where am I going? Where am I going? Well, where are you going? Are you okay? Are you, what? What the? Is he alright? Someone help this guy. Brother, let's go. Turn. This guy's crazy, like proper running reds and shit. Hey, let him do whatever he wants. He clearly knows something I don't. So yeah. Right, now I need to remember what's my exit. Not this one, because we're not going there. I'm gonna get my haircut first. Next one. And next one. Just gonna get the haircut out of the way. I think it'll be better. Oh, come on, mate. I think 20 miles an hour. Come on. Old Bill's pest control. You know what? One thing I will tell you about having the sort of this helmet mount, which by the way I think I went with Pro mounts. I think that's what I bought. The little, just heat it up and you kind of stick in the helmet. I had it from a while ago when I used to kind of get content and record and whatnot, but then I stopped using it. But obviously I didn't remove it from my helmet, because why would you do that? So I'm using that again. It's been a while. I don't actually know the lifespan of them, because I know they obviously don't last forever. But I mean, it should be alright as long as it holds my camera, man. Go on, old Bill. Go on, old Bill. Give it large. Give it large. Give it large. Give it large, Bill. Give it large. Oh shit, that's a fat bottle. Woohoo! Go on, Billy. Bloody hell. You need to close your visor, because this shit gets in your eyes like bloody sand. You can't even see nothing. Anyways, these roads are pretty nice. Yeah. Beautiful. Just wanna show you how I'm feeling. Where's he going? Should we make a bet? I reckon he's gonna go right. Oh shit, well that'd be wrong, isn't it? But yeah, let me know. Obviously I'm gonna see as soon as I edit how the view's gonna look. If it looks 2 on top, 2 below, if I'm capturing enough of God knows what. Because obviously at the moment I've got my settings for the chest mount, even the angles. Like, I don't really know all of this for you jiggy naughty boy. Well, I'm gonna piss you off and come this way, piss you off and come this way. Hi Beamer, bye Beamer. Can I come through? Yes I can, thank you. Now Ibiza FR, just tell me you want to buy a Golf. Like, you're buying this car, you might as well just tell me you want to buy a Golf. Oh shit, that's it's here. It's here. And now we do a little bit of off-road. There we go. And then we're Gucci. Doggy, can I pet that dog? Can I pet that dog? Oh, you're waiting for me? Oh, you're so kind. You was definitely not waiting for me. But he let me through, so I'm not mad. I'm very thankful, matter of fact. Come on. Oh, this guy's been indicating for that long. He's still like, still not moving over. Don't like that Mercedes. It's giving me bad vibes, like proper giving me little space to. Like, I'm not scared of maneuvering in little spaces, but like, bro, like, give me space, innit? Like, here, love, I'm gonna have to, foot on the floor. Maybe I didn't have to, but why would I risk it? We're not in a little time attack or anything, so. Screw. I'll probably start ending things here, I'm not gonna lie. I hope you guys had a great time today. I've already said bye twice now, but crap, it is what it is. I'll pick whatever one I want to use. But yeah, if you guys are enjoying the videos, man, like, share, comment, what's the other one? Subscribe, turn on the post notification, all of the above. Just show love, that's all I can ask for, show love. And yeah, man, thank you very much. Safe.
Con cualquiera, donde sea, papi, voy. Donde quiero, con cualquiera, donde sea, papi, voy.